Module 5, the recipe. So now we're ready to put this knowledge to work with creating the Tiny Habit recipe, and it's one of the simplest recipes that you can do, so don't overcomplicate it. Choose a habit that you want to do. So in recipe step 1, we're going to find a prompt that fits with the new behavior, and we're going to write after I and insert what the prompt is. So in this example, it's after I come into the house from work and hang up my purse. In recipe step 2, we'll choose the tiniest behavior that we can and write I will and then insert the tiny behavior. In this example, it's I will think it's family time. And for the final step, recipe step 3, choose how you're going to celebrate the fact that you're doing or have done the habit. This isn't the same as a reward. Remember, a reward usually comes a while after you've done something. Instead, we want this celebration to be an immediate acknowledgement of your good work. So in this example, we will smile. Now, if we put it all together, we have, after I come into the house from work and hang up my purse, I will think it's family time, and I will smile. Okay, now let's plot this new tinier habit example on our B equals MAP plus C chart that we used earlier in the training. So our aspiration is, I want to spend more time with my family. The prompt is, after I come into the house from work and hang up my purse. The tiny behavior, I will think it's family time. And our celebration is that I will smile. Our motivation is high because we have an aspiration to want to spend time with our family, at least in this example, ladies. Our ability is that this is easy. I mean, how hard is it to have a thought? Now let's look at the red dot that symbolizes where we are at on the graph. As you can see, it is above the action line. This is now a successful recipe for a tiny habit that over time is going to grow, and here's why. Over time, the thought of it's family time and your smile will be noticed by your family, because even when you're in a rush or you've had a bad day, you'll start to relax when you come home and be in the right mind frame. This is going to lead to more positive encounters with your family, which will lead to better conversations. And instead of getting an inaudible grunt when you ask your family how their day was, they're actually going to share some of their day with you. Okay, well, we're now ready to start learning what needs to happen for these next 5 days to be successful. So I will see you in Module 6.